Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chips masala using the all-new improved tropical heat curry powder. I'm sure you like it. Let's get started. So for the ingredients, I've actually made it so simple because it's very few. We have one large onion, and you see I also have the chips that is already cooked. I also have garlic. I have chopped coriander, and then we have tomatoes and ketchup, and of course we have the curry powder. Remember, the improved curry powder from Tropical Heat has a better flavor, has a better aroma. When you cook with it, it just makes your food pop. So the idea is to brown the onion. The amount of oil will be determined by the amount of onion that you are using. My rule for when cooking with oil and onion is the oil should be enough just to cook the onion. And while this is happening, what I'll also be doing is cutting up the tomatoes into small cubes. You can blend it. So what I'm doing here is chopping them into very small pieces. The onion is starting to brown and the oil is not too much. You're not seeing the oil covering the onion. The onion has already started browning evenly. So once it's at golden brown color like it is right now, that's when you add the curry powder. So that's the color you want to have. The smell is very nice. I've also left that one extra tomato because I'm going to add the tomato sauce or ketchup. So it's at this stage you actually stir everything. And the idea is for the tomato to cook down until it's a thick paste. And to facilitate that, you add a little bit of water and let the tomato cook down until it turns into a very thick paste. So 2 to 3 minutes if you're using the diced tomato, and this is what you should have. So as you can see, it has thickened. The tomato, we don't have lumps. I'll add some salt, not too much, and then I will also now add the tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Now this mixture is a little bit tangy, so adding the tomato sauce adds some sweetness, which for me is what the flavor that I want. And if you need some chilies, you can add chilies at this point or just before the tomato sauce, so that it cooks together with the masala. And then take your cooked chips. So the idea is now to let the flavors get soaked into the potato. Now the amount of liquid, now it can be a little bit saucy than this. So two options. You can add more of the tomato sauce, or like in this case, I'll add a little bit of water. The reason why we're adding a little bit of water is because we also want to give time for the potatoes to get heated. Because you're almost done, I'll add the chopped coriander. The aroma is nice because I'm getting the curry flavor. The coriander I've just added. Now that's the way it's supposed to look. Not too saucy, not too dry, and definitely not just ketchup, because I hate it when I'm going to have chips masala and what they have as masala is actually ketchup that has been mixed with the chips. I hope you've learned something today. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. Tune in for more recipes on my YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.